What's up, American? Holy jumping kitty fishes, man. Hang on, I gotta tighten this up, y'all. I'm sorry.
What in the
Look,
hell are you
we're
doing?
turning off.
You just messed up my hat.
I don't give a damn. You can fish it. Look here. Gee, shit, really? So anyway, God damn. So anyway,
Look at that Sambo.
we are back.
What?
We are back to camp, baby. If you put that light in my face one more time, just don't do it. That's all I'm saying. Just don't do it. It's been a tough day. Look here. So anyway, we made it back to camp. My buddy Kevin, love you. Went down there, totally got my mat out of the abyss, brought it back up, and that's a heavy son of a gun. He just draped it under his butt and rode it out on his forward and couldn't lift it. But I give him props on that. So right now,
Hold up. Go ahead.
So right now, there's no light on that camera button.
I know. My battery's low. Alright, we got you. Okay, now I got you.
We done some backwoods redneck stuff right here, y'all. I'm gonna told you what.
I'm multitasking, smoking, holding
Look.
a goddamn phone and a flashlight in the other hand.
Look.
Trying to get the Sambo on
I
camera.
totally wish I could show you, but I can't. But anyhow, I just wanted to say, hey, thank y'all. We finna eat a little dinner. It's nighttime. Have no clue what time it is. Because, we don't keep track of time out here. Because, goddamn, we ain't rushing for nothing. We's Americans. I'm just saying. Look, you don't see no wristwatch on these arms. No, sir, no, ma'am. Just don't say it. No.
Show me that bear.
Look here, we don't do it.
You have to totally look on your left.
Well, look, man, I got too many arms. That's all I'm telling you.
Too many. Come on now.
I just be like 3 less.
Oh, Lord.
All right, so anyhow.
Oh, okay, I guess we done.
Right this moment, I'm over there cooking some zucchini, and some onion, and garlic, and butter. What? Oh, my gosh. Let me tell y'all something. There's going to be some good grocery here. And here directly within the next 2 minutes, got 2 big, fat, juicy T-bone steaks that my baby picked up. Said, throw them on the grill. I said, yes, ma'am. I come right around her way and thinking there. Especially you talk steak. What? I'm all in. You know what I'm saying? Well, look here. Y'all totally need to come out and hang out. There's super people out here. It's a good time. Do you have to do the crazy stuff I do? Hell no. This is why I do the crazy stuff I do, so you don't have to do that. You follow me, people? I go out and show you what's going to happen to your stuff if you do this. Just saying.
You look like you're trying to smile a bear down.
Look, man, don't let that son of a bitch come around. But anyway, that's another subject. All right, so America, look here. We're going to eat some dinner. And then we're going to get out and tear up some back roads and see what kind of crap we can get into. And I'm sure there's going to be a bunch of it. Because we are sure good at finding it. But till then, y'all, what we say, baby?
Peace.
Peace!